Let's try something. What if you let a system control your whole dropshipping business? What if you said you choose the product, you decide how much to charge, you just pick the supplier, and you just literally did it? Would it explode or would it really work? I was curious, so I did it. I let go of control for a week. I gave AI full control of my business plan. None of it mattered, not my gut, my fear, or my taste. I was just the one who did it. Doba was the commander in this case. This is exactly what happened. I was curious, so I did it. I chose to leave the rest of my future dropshipping business to be determined by AI. I would not apply my gut or my taste or my fear during a week. I would not be the planner but the implementer. I was simply doing what the AI tools in a platform such as Doba command me to do based on the data. I would allow it to select the product, to determine the price, and to select the suppliers. It is the raw, real-time journal of what occurred and what it is to anyone who has ever been frozen by the terror of making the wrong decision. So the day one handover, my philosophy when entering the platform was no browsing. I directly went to the AI hub and opened the tool named AI Picker, and this is the brain. I did not use the keyword fitness or home decor. I instead click into its analytic dashboard to find category velocity. I had to have the AI tell me the location of the energy and not my own interest. It indicated into true groups were study, 2-digit month-over-month new suppliers listing increases, smart home accessories, and pet tech. Let's go to the Doba dashboard and we'll select AI Picker to show how the process worked clearly. I look at real-time analysis in the category velocity dashboard that shows suppliers growth, order momentum, and margin indicators across niches. I don't type in a keyword. Instead, I look at where measurable demands is rising quickly and find pet tech as a category which studied double-digit growth in supplier listing. The system makes a short list of 3 items after you use the rising product filter: a generic dog list, a soap feeder ball, and an automatic ball launcher with a built-in camera. These are supplier counts, trends, order speed, and estimated profit margin for each listing. The ball launcher has a high profit margin tag and so that more vendors are getting involved and that orders are going up. Based on only these numbers, momentum, margins, potentials, and supplier reliability, the automatic ball launcher is chosen. This shows that the decision was based on real market data, not on personal preferences. The first was the lesson that the passion of the market is the only that counts. I select pet tech. In that, I use the filter of rising products. This indicates product choose activity suddenly increased. New vendors added them to the list. The numbers of orders is increasing. 3 products were brought out by the AI. One was a generic list, one was a slow feeder ball, the third was an automatic ball launcher that had an inbuilt camera so that you could play with your dog via your phone. It carried a tag of the high profit margin the AI has chosen. Products chosen, ball launcher. It did not matter to me about my personal opinion about pet toys. The day 2, the price and supplier requirements. At this point, having decided on the product, I need to give up the second and third decisions. I pressed the launcher of balls. In this case, it not only lists me with a single supplier, is presented a side-by-side comparison of 4 audited suppliers to me. This was the AI giving its shortlist to the decision of the supplier. They had varied unit price, shipping time to the US, and minimum order quantity. The AI presents 3 audited supplier options for the selected product. Supplier A offers unit cost of $38 with a 40-day shipping time. Supplier B lists the product at $42 with 8-day shipping, and supplier C prices it at $45 with 5-day shipping but requires a higher minimum order quantity, that is MOQ. Each supplier profile includes integrated metrics such as estimated land cost, fulfillment reliability score, historical order success rate, and delivery performance consistency. By presenting these variables simultaneously, the platform ensures a multi-factor evaluation balancing cost, efficiency, logistic speed, and operational reliability, allowing the audience to observe how data-driven supplier selection occurs in real time rather than through subjective judgment. Now, supplier A $38 14-day shipping, supplier B $42 8-day shipping, and supplier C $45 and 5-day shipping, however with a bigger MOQ. My former self would have spent an hour and endeavored to determine the ideal trade-off between cost and speed. Nevertheless, there was a rule to the experiment: follow the data. The dashboard of the platform estimated the cost to land of each including their shipping costs. It also indicated which has the highest number of orders being met with success, a reliability score. The information in the AI was pointed directly towards supplier B. It is not cheapest, not the fastest, but the best price speed reliability ratio based on thousands of data points that I did not have access to. Now supplier decision made. Now price. I had the urge to increase the cost of $42 by half and set it at $84. That is just a formula and not strategy. The AI of the platform gains access to what I cannot have access to: the actual selling price of similar products in various marketplaces. It is not guess, it analyze. Based on my analysis, the statistics indicate that the optimum price of the kind of technological product based pet item was between $79 and $89. A conversion rate plummeted dramatically when it went to $99. The charge of $69 was leaving money on the table and maybe an indicator of low quality. The AI was categorical in price at $84.99. This put me in the middle of the competitive brand with a good gross margin of approximately $43 per unit after the platform fee. Now day 3, building the AI store. When I say the AI build a store, I did not mean it just put together a template. It looked at professional thanks to 2 tools that did the hard work. The first, the AI listing optimizer, that copy that is grammatically perfect and sales focused, those bullet points that are all about benefits. The tool took the supplier basic information, which was probably a description in broken English, and turned it into a language that would get people to buy. It did not just list the feature, it said why should you care. Second, the video hub, the real look. A lot of that came from ready-made professional ad videos the platform made for the product. I did not record anything, I did not change anything. I put a polished brand style video right on the product page and in my ads. If you are ready to stop making things from scratch and start selling right away, below is the link. You can get Doba for less than $30. The video hub, the AI tools and the supplier network are all up and running, and also you get a nice discount there. Alright, now days 4, the human only job, the $1 test. The AI had built a machine. At this point, I needed to check whether the machine would start. I had one free hand of marketing. However, in this case, I made use of the output of the AI. I copied the product page headline that it produced and the most suitable image. I created a basic one-page landing page that only included an email sign-up form of early access and a launch discount. I also placed a Facebook advertisement to a target audience of people who are interested in the dog training, smart home gadgets, and pet cameras. My overall budget on advertisement $5 in 5 days. I did not put my best to the test. I was experimenting of the hypothesis of product market fit of the AI, and this test was the validation of the whole automated process. Now the day 5 and the 6, the results and the lesson. I let the test run and the data come back. That 4 days spending of $4 brought 22 email subscriptions. There were 22 individuals who provided their contacts voluntarily to be informed about this AI selective, AI priced and AI supplied product, and the exchange rate was evident. The signal was there. The cold rational evolution of the AI had discovered a product which people had proven to desire at the price they could afford, and had then put it in a manner that generated the necessary level of trust to opt in. And what is the conclusion of the experiment then? It is not like AI will substitute you. It is that AI will substitute that version of you that is a guesser. A paralyzed version is that of the infinite number of choices. That one that chooses the product according to personal taste. That one that is concerned about reliability in supplier as a hunch. The experiment demonstrated that a rational fact-based chain find momentum, the most efficient logical path, construct a professional container, test demand can be used to de-risk the launch process systematically. And AI did not make the business. It had been constructed on a fresh workflow with me as the project manager and AI tools my expert group, the market researcher, the sourcing agent, the web developer and the copywriter. Alright, so this is the last step. You can keep doing it the way you always have, but Doba can also make the product, the supplier, the store, the copy and the ad videos for you. You can also try it out for yourself to see how these AI tools work in your niche by starting a trial for only 99 cents. And it's not even the price of a cheap cup of coffee to see if this system can change the way you run your business. So below is the link with 10% discount. Get your trial, and it's not just a trial by the way, it's a discounted entry into a system built to remove guesswork. And that extra 10% you save, reinvest into ads, product testing, better creatives, tool that scale your store. Because smart founders don't just spend, they optimize. Again, the link below gives you an automatic 10% off, so start lean and scale fast. And finally, if you have any question related to this video and regarding Doba, then definitely let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this and regarding dropshipping, then definitely this playlist is for you. And lastly, before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too, and share this video with your dropshipper friend who also want to learn more about dropshipping.